Dear colleagues, good morning. I welcome you to this live demonstration of peroral endoscopic myotomy course. This is for endoscopic achalasia. As you well know, it's organized by the Gastroenterology Division of the First Department of Propedeutic Medicine in collaboration of the First Department of Surgery, the Second Department of Propedeutic Surgery, and the Anesthesiology Department of Laiko University General Hospital in Athens, Greece. We have a great faculty, and the first case will be performed by Professor Inouye, who has performed more than 200 poem cases, and the second case by Professor Stavropoulos, who has performed more than 80 cases to date. During the course, there will be four short break lectures related to diagnostic criteria of achalasia, balloon dilatation, etc. I believe you will enjoy the course. This course is among the few that has been performed in Europe, and are happy to have this great faculty here. And before we start the course, I would like to thank Proton Olympus, Herbe and Boston for their contribution to the development of this course. Thank you very much.